that's very modern and lovely, isn't it? Richard, what are you working on today?
Audi S1.
Audi S1.
Week of Audis this week.
Yeah, I know.
Well,
yeah.
VW VAG Audi.
Had a lot of vags, yeah.
Vags and stuff.
Yeah, your big V8 Audi's parked in the way.
Yeah, it is in the way, yeah.
Yeah, so yeah. No one can get in or out.
I didn't actually park that there, but yeah, it is in the way.
So this is a lovely Audi S1 in black. What are these standard brake horsepower wise?
2 to 8, I think.
2 to 8. Okay. You said this one goes like shit off a shovel, mate. So
Yeah,
you reckon it might be mapped?
Yeah. Well, we've done a service on it this morning. We've done centre resonator delete, so we've done that. We just fitted the GFB
DVX
valve
to make some noise.
So we just fitted that.
Where is it?
Just down here.
Okay, can we see it? Can we see it? Oh yeah, look at that, lovely.
Yeah. So you got a blanking plate that bolts on the side here, where you can see, you can just about see the plug in your picture there.
Yeah, yeah.
So the original diverter valve goes into that bracket and then mounts to the side of the vac pump on the side of the engine, so that goes there.
Okay.
And then basically it comes across and then obviously goes into where the DV valve would normally be, and then obviously that's your atmospheric valve.
Fantastic.
Adjustable on preload and adjustable for noise. So you can obviously have it half open, half closed, or whatever you want to do.
Okay.
Or more preload if you want more preload.
Does it sound great?
Well, as I just revved up a little bit there.
Okay, well, we'll do a little bit of that then, and we'll show people what it sounds like.
Yeah.
So Richard's gone to fire this rattly old fridge engine up. That's a VAG joke. There we go. Fantastic. That sounds a bit better than stock. Yeah, lovely. So would it be Dr. Gower to map one of these, Richard?
Hey?
Would it be Mr. Gower to map one of these?
I assume
at
so.
Artec?
I assume so. But I'm pretty convinced it's already mapped, so...
So perhaps it'll be a case of sticking it on the dyno and finding out.
Yeah, it will be.
So this has got Haldex system. So whilst it's actually four-wheel drive, we can disconnect the Haldex, can't we?
We can. I thought I could put the engine cover back on, but I can't. Just let it back on a minute, right? I can't do it.
Well, this could be in the outtakes.
Yeah, it's going to be, isn't it? Because I feel like an idiot.
There you go. Look at that. It's because it's not got Honda on it. Yeah.
I don't normally work on these, do I?
No. So we can stick it on the dyno by disconnecting the Haldex, can't we? And then running it in two-wheel drive mode.
Yeah. Which we will do.
Which we will do, and it will make some noise, and we'll get a good idea of whether it is mapped or not. Oh, yeah. Fantastic. Well, let's take some photographs in front of the wall. A bit of welding here, Richard. What you done to this one today?
Well, someone's done a centre resonator delete, so that pipe was already made and on the car, but it got a sleeve on it and a crappy joint in the back, so I've just modified it and changed the angle slightly, as in rotated it and welded both ends so we've not got leaks.
Oh, very good.
Because it was leaking.
And now you're doing a Haldex service?
Well, that's the plan.
Now, do these take loads of Haldex or like other cars, or is it just a bit?
Well, there's only a litre in the office, so I'm hoping it's no more than that.
You're hoping it's a litre? Well, I better go find out if that's enough. Well, there we go. There we go. The verdict is in. Richard's bum dyno did indicate that it might have been mapped, and it certainly has. We have got ourselves a car with 300, just shy of 310 brake horsepower. How's that for a little one? Look at it. That's a fast car. Well, there we go. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. We'll see you on the next one. Won't we, Rich?
Will indeed.
We will. He doesn't even know what's going on. We will indeed.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.